अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट मिस साइको इल्मे सादिक एकेडमी से। सबसे पहले हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलिएगा, ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस बर वक्त आप तक पहुँच सकें। तो जैसे कि आईबीएस स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट लेगा, उसके हवाले से हम आपको प्रिपरेशन करवा रहे हैं। तो उसका जो एक सेक्शन है अहम है, वो जनरल साइंस का है। तो मैं आपके लिए बहुत अहम और मज़ेदार क्वेश्चन लाई हूँ, तो वो मैं आपको आज बताती जाऊँगी और उनके करेक्ट आंसर भी बताती जाऊँगी। तो आइए चलें, मैं पढ़ती जा रही हूँ क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ इंसुलिन काजेज अ डिजीज कॉल्ड ए हाइपरटेंशन, बी डायबिटीज, सी एस्थमा, डी ऑल दीज। द करेक्ट आंसर डायबिटीज। ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वेव कैन बी प्रोड्यूस्ड इन डैश, ए सॉलिड, बी लिक्विड्स, सी गैसेज, डी ऑल ऑफ देयर। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ देयर। Question number 3, dash can pass through the wall of the digestive tube to enter the blood. A cell, B tissue, C atom, D molecule. The correct answer is molecule. Question number 3, force on the blood vessels is called A hypertension, B diabetes, C blood pressure, D asthma. The correct answer is blood pressure. Question number 5, example of a chemical change is A resting of iron, B burning of coal, C cooking of food, D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Question number 6, revolve around the nucleus. A particle, B electron, C proton, D all of them. The correct answer is electrons. Question number 7, A a dash has positive charge. A electron, B neutron, C proton, D all of them. The correct answer is proton. Question number 8, heart receives oxygenated blood at dash side. A right, B left, C both, D none. The correct answer is left. When there is no rainfall in an area, that causes A floods, B drought, C earthquake, D lightning. The correct answer is drought. Question number 10, common digestive disorders are D A diarrhea, B heartburn, C ulcer and gas trouble. Common digestive disorders are D A diarrhea, B heartburn, C ulcer and gas trouble, D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Okay. Now अब मैं आगे जा रही हूँ. Okay. Question number 11. New substances are formed during dash process. Reversible, irreversible, C physical, D chemical. The correct answer is chemical. Question number 12. What is the surface temperature of the sun? A 5500 to 6000 centidegree, B 7000 centidegree, D 28,000 centidegree, D none of these. The correct answer is 5500 to 6000 centidegree. Question number 13. Dietary fiber is found in A cereal, B fruits, D vegetables, D all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Question number 14. What do you know about astronomy? A study of sun, moon and object in space. B study of applied malts. C study of solar system. D study of astronomers. Study of astronauts. The correct answer is study of sun, moon and object in space. Question number 15. The molecules are carried by dash to every cell to produce energy. A. Cells, B. Tissues, C. Blood, D. Water. The correct answer is blood. Which organ is not the part of respiratory system? A. Nose, B. Throat, D. Lungs. C. Lungs, D. Kidneys. The correct answer is kidney. Which gases are dissolved in water? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. All these. The correct answer is all these. And next one is question number 18. Name the Nobel Prize winner who supported the Big Bang Theory. A. Arno Penzias, B. Robert Wilson, D. Edwin Hubble, D. Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson. The correct answer is Arno Penzias. Question number 19. Okay. The easy way to purify water by using A. Boiling. Question number 19. Okay. The easy way to purify water by using A. Boiling, B. Potassium, C. Chlorine, D. All these. The correct answer is boiling. Question number 20. In prism dash surface are triangular surfaces. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. The correct answer is 2. Okay. Question number 21. Dash particles of fertilizer release nutrient gradually. Okay, because A. hard, B. soft, C. liquid, D. small. The correct answer is hard. Question number 22. Maximum distance of a water from its rest position is A. amplitude, B. frequency, C. wavelength, D. rest position. The correct answer is amplitude. Question number 23. Electric circuits have dash type. A. 2, B. 3, C. 1D. C1D many. So correct answer is two types. Okay. Question number 24. A vibration is repeated dash motion. A. up down, B. to and from, C. only forward, D. AB both. The correct answer is AB both. Question number 25. When light passes from air to water or glass, the angle of incidence is dash than the angle of refraction. A. greater than, B. smaller, C. equal to, D. none. The correct answer is greater. Question number 26. The brightness of a star depends on A. equal amount of energy, B. distance of a star from the earth and amount of energy the star emits, C. distance from the sun, D. none of these. The correct answer is distance of a star from the earth and amount of energy the star emits. Question number 27. Dash is an example of a conductor. A. wood, B. plastic, C. iron, D. sand. The correct answer is iron. Which kills question number 28. Which kills the bacteria during chlorination? Question number 28. Which kills the bacteria during chlorination? A. chlorine, B. oxygen, C. bleach, D. sunlight. The correct answer is chlorine. Which keeps the sugar in the blood in limit? A. insulin, B. blood, C. liver, D. pancreatic juice. The correct answer is insulin. The question number 30. The dash point of a transverse wave sorry. The dash point of a transverse wave is called crest. A highest, B lowest, and C medium, and C medium. No, I think not here. The answer is here. All of them. The correct answer is highest. Okay. And next one is question number 31. The central part of atom is called A orbital, B shell, C nucleus, D proton and neutron. The correct answer is nucleus. Question number 32. What is the Big Bang Theory? A extraordinary explosion caused this universe. B sun exploded. C galaxy and solar system. D none of these. The correct answer is extraordinary explosion caused this universe. Question number 33. Which disease is caused by allergens? A diabetes, C asthma, D myocardial infarction, B नहीं पढ़ा, and B hypertension. Okay, the correct answer is asthma. Question number 34. The liver store its bile in A pancreas, B stomach, C intestine, D gallbladder. The correct answer is gallbladder. Question number 35. Some electrical energy dissipates into dash. A mechanical energy, B electrical energy, C heat energy, D electricity. The correct answer is heat energy. ओके तो आज मैंने आपको 35 क्वेश्चन बताए हैं। आज मैंने आपको 35 क्वेश्चन बताए हैं। आई होप कि ये आपको समझ आए होंगे और बहुत ही इजी है, यानी कि डेली रूटीन में जो हो रहे हैं आपको जैसे पता है कि क्या जैसे कि बहुत अहम क्वेश्चन है। आप देख सकते हैं मैंने आपको भी रीड आउट करके बताएं कितने इजी क्वेश्चन थे। बिल्कुल ये तो आप समझते होंगे कि अगर हमने एक आ रहा था कि भाई वाटर को हम किस तरह से प्यूरीफाई करते हैं, तो हम उसको बॉयल ही करते हैं तभी प्यूरीफाई हो जाता है। बहुत आसान से क्वेश्चन थे। ठीक है, आई होप कि आपको समझ आए होंगे और इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको फिर मिलूँगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। इसी के साथ अपनी मिस साइको को दें इजाज़त।